Today we'll make two pizzas. First is spinach and paneer pizza and the second one a mixed veg pizza. Trust me, it's so simple and easy to make a tasty pizza at home, and it all starts with a good pizza dough. My pizza dough is ready here and I've already shared the recipe for the same on my channel. Please do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. When you're ready to roll, sprinkle some flour onto a surface and coating the dough with the flour too, roll it with a rolling pin. You can also flatten it with your hands. I've rolled it almost to the size of my pizza tray, pressing it more in the center so we have slightly thicker edges. Put it on a greased tray and we can gently press and stretch it to make it the right size for the tray. Also press near the edges to create a rim. Prick it all over with the fork so there are no bubbles when it bakes. Brush it lightly with the olive oil. Now goes on top our pizza sauce. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of my homemade pizza sauce. The recipe for this sauce is also on my channel and there's a link to it in the description below. So please check out if you haven't. Spread the cheese on top. Here I'm using 125 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Then goes on a handful of chopped spinach, some sweet corn, and sliced red onion. Now I'm adding some soft mozzarella cheese, around 50 grams, and some chili flakes go on the top. This one is now ready to go in the oven. We'll add paneer to it, but that will be a little later. Now let's get the second pizza ready. So we'll repeat the first few steps. Roll it, prick it, brush it with olive oil, spread the sauce and the mozzarella cheese on the top. Now for the toppings. I'm using mixed pepper here, green, red and orange, some onions, thinly sliced courgette, sweet corn, soft mozzarella cheese around 75 grams and some chili flakes on the top. Now we'll place both the pizzas in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now coming back to the paneer for the first pizza. We'll take about half a tablespoon of pizza sauce and coat a few pieces of paneer with that. And after about 10 minutes, we'll take the spinach pizza out of the oven and top it with these paneer pieces, as paneer doesn't need to be cooked for that long, and put the pizza back in the oven. After about 25 minutes of putting both the pizzas in the oven, they are ready. It has a nicely baked crust, cheese is done nice and golden, and lovely color from the veggies. Slice it and enjoy. Do try out these pizzas and let me know in the comments below how it turns out for you. Please hit that like button if you liked the video and do subscribe to my channel for more such easy to follow recipe videos. Thanks for watching.